possibly concerned about an upgrade to the Maximo application suite because you have a heavily configured, maybe even customized system, and you know the documentation is not up to date, you're not alone. There's a lot of that out there. That's the truth. And right now, there are a lot of people, a lot of organizations on extended support with IBM trying to figure out what to do. And a whole lot of those are in this position of, we've got a heavily configured or customized system, we have integrations, and we don't have good documentation. What do we do? It's a great question. Well, you call us, call Benetti. Why? Because recognizing that this is a problem, we have put together a suite of tools that leverage AI to automate the assessment of your Java class file extensions, of your integrations, of your Autoscripts, of your saved queries, and of your data. And so they're automating the assessment of all of those. Why? Because those are the areas that we see the majority of challenges. Legacy data that's been migrated over multiple versions no longer maintains all the referential integrity that MAS wants. Let's identify that up front before we move, figure out what to do with it. Java customizations that worked back in 7.5 and were migrated to 7.6, and now some functionality's changed. Well, we can identify that. We understand. Most Java customizations continue to work. There are a handful that we see that we have problems with. Let's identify it up front. Autoscripts mostly work flawlessly. Every once in a while we run into something there. Saved queries, if you're transforming to DB2 from SQL Server or Oracle, you're going to have some challenges there. That's something we do a lot of. We automate that database platform transformation as well. So these are things that are easily handled from this side of the fence, because that's what we do for a living. We appreciate why it's a big, significant unknown challenge from your side of the fence. It makes perfect sense. When it comes to what was done to our screens, database field changes and things like that, beautiful thing about Maximo, you have the max attributes. We know what the standard out of box is. We can quickly assess all of the changes that have been done in your database. We can look at the fields, we can understand which are foreign key fields, which should be foreign key fields and haven't been registered that way, assess that as well, and prepare a package of, here are the items to look at before the mass upgrade, and target those, what we would say probably riskier items, and knock those down, buy down the risk in your upgrade process so that you know it's going to go smoothly. You know you're not going to experience a massive downtime. You know you're not going to experience a bunch of change orders unexpectedly that you have to make emergency decisions on. Walk in with a clear picture of what's going on. You do that, you can feel a lot more comfortable about it. The path is smoother, user community is happier. There's no better way to do it. How do you do that? Well, you call us, because that's what we do for you. I'm sure you have more questions, so hit us up, call, email, like, subscribe, get ready with Benetti.